Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Virgin Mortgage account. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to google.com. Now in the Google search bar, search for Virgin Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Virgin Money. So you can manage your mortgage account by clicking on the first link. You can see that you can scroll down and see the features of mortgages offered by Virgin Money. So to sign into your account, you can simply click see what support is available and see what type of mortgages plan you can execute. And now to sign in, click on sign in, which is on the top right hand corner of your screen. It will lead you to these types of account, so we need to open either current accounts or the mortgages. So let me show you how to log into your current accounts in Virgin Money, and after that I will show you how you can log in with your mortgage account. So choose current accounts, click sign in, and then you can choose to sign in with either your Google account or your Virgin Money account. So let me show you how you can log in to your mortgage account now. Click sign in and scroll down and click mortgages. It will lead you to this login portal which is specialized for Virgin Money mortgage. Now write down your customer ID associated with your Virgin mortgage account. Click sign in and write down your password and click sign in again. This way you can successfully sign into your Virgin Money mortgage account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Virgin Money mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.